Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. You had a great weekend and gearing up for the next good week. The last week I was a little busy with other stuff, couldn't trade it much. But yeah, I'll be back this week fully. Okay, so I'll be posting trades whenever I take in this week, and today we're gonna talk about the next weekly outlook. So which is I think week number 3 of February, right? Yeah. So let's jump into it. Before that, actually, I was thinking to start about the weekly, like the videos like I do, like here weekly forecast, right? For the week. So probably might be something for intraday, you know, like TikTok video or the shorts video. Let me know what do you think about that idea. um, if I start, like, let's say for intraday outlook for the pairs that we look, and couple of minutes video on the TikTok or on Instagram reel or YouTube shorts. Okay, that's just idea. Okay, thinking on loud. So if you think this is good idea, I will put a poll as well on the Telegram, and let me know. Okay, so, and based on the responses, I'll think about that. Okay, so let's get started with the weekly outlook then, right? So what I'm going to do from henceforth, so I'm going to keep the video under 10 minutes or maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to reduce the pair. I'm going to remove the Australia dollar, US dollar, and the gold, because I just rarely trade those things. And it's the same procedure, what to do with this pair if you want to follow those as well, right? So other than this, okay, let's get started. So this is pretty much we expected on the euro dollar after the spike. So probably it's going to become to this inefficiency, or maybe so this order block. Okay, so okay, let's get started from first thing first. Okay, so let them so you need to mark lows and highs. Okay, so this was our high and this our low, so we are within this range, right? And we are looking to short from a higher time frame perspective and break probably this low. Okay, because this is unwillingness to go higher, and it's not going higher, it's probably then going to break this one now. So this is a we need to trade within this range. So let's see what's there on the intraday perspective. Yeah, so this is we marked actually for the buys. Okay, so we need to monitor price here, but let's say if the price breaks here, okay, so it's definitely going to come down here. On intraday it's still a bullish on the 4-hour perspective, right? So it's reacting exactly from this point of interest, which is where the institutions got involved. A nice order block is getting reacted from here, so it's probably the wick now. So if this reaction fails, okay, so tomorrow or maybe in the next couple of days, so if we break this one, so we're gonna break, probably we're not gonna respect this point of interest and we're gonna fall down. Okay, so that's what any scalp you take into the short will be justified, because we are started this move from here, and which is unwillingness to go higher, right? So from the intraday perspective, we are short and also from daily perspective as well we are short. So it's a kind of a good confluence to get started on the short. So here's thing. Okay, what I was looking here actually on the 1 hour, yeah, we got 1 break, 2 break here, and 3 break. So if there is more than 2 break, I guess you need to move up the time frame, right? So you know this procedure now, right? So I think I don't need to repeat this. If you don't know, you need to go back to the playlist come back with this solid understanding of the strategy and then come here. Okay, otherwise it won't make sense. So let's go on the 3 hour. It makes sense here. All right. So yeah, so basically, you know, you're just reacting so from this point of interest, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow it will just continue to fall and we'll break this, and then it might come here and then go down. Okay, so but it is looking extremely bearish at the moment, and you need to take any scalp or opportunity during London Open or New York Open, whatever the session you trades. You need to fit your model in that session, and if you get any scalp in the short, it will be fruitful, right? Okay, so that's for the euro dollar. Actually, it's nothing much is going on, so I'm expecting to continue this to drop here and break this one, this structure. Okay, other than this, let me see on the 2 hour. There's something, it's just not fitting our rules here. Yeah, so this is a base and we got a single single break downward. So this is how I will make it sense. Okay, so this is downward break, and that break we got up break here again. So intention to bearish, intention to bullish, and this is also got violated again. So I'll take it from here. Let's say this is as a break, and we got second break as well here. Okay, so let me so this is I'm talking about intraday perspective, right? So and that break came from this sort of block, and there are the stuff here. Okay, so you cannot ignore this week. You know, it may just go from here. So you just need to study the reaction and act accordingly. So this will be the entire candle. If you see here, they are buying and then selling. So it may looks nice here. It will come back and then go down. But let's see on tomorrow. Okay, during London and New York Open. So I put an alert over here, and I'm going to monitor the price here, and we'll see how it goes. For the session trades, I think I got very I'm getting the DMs about the model, that backtesting stuff I shared with. So this is one of the model, right? So you can have your couple of models formed and back tested and forward tested in order to go to the live. So do not go live unless you have your numbers. Okay, otherwise you will come back again to that step. Okay, you don't want that, right? You're better than that now, right? Yes, so that is it for euro dollar. And yeah, so let's go to the next pair then, so which is a New Zealand dollar. Okay, so New Zealand dollar, sorry, on the euro dollar actually. So this is one more practice I need to start. So this is what I'm looking. Okay, short from here. Okay, at least this here. So you're going to take entry on 1 minute when the price hit. Okay, so your stops will be like very less, like, you know, couple of pips or 2-3 pips. So that will increase your R dramatically. Okay, but for time being I'll just mark it. Okay, so like this, and continue. Actually our target would be to at least to, you know, this POI for the bullish reaction. There will be some reaction, so we don't know yet, you know, there will be follow through after the reaction or not, right? So yeah, so this is it for EU. Let's go for New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, okay, I just marked it yesterday. I was just doing some testing, but this is still valid, right? Okay, so this is what I'm looking. So we have this. First thing first, we need to mark daily lows and high. So this is low, this is high, and this is low. Okay, so we are within in this range, right? So, and we just started the pullback, and we want price to come up here and then fall. Okay, so price is not yet there, it may not come there, but okay, so this is what our understanding of the market. Okay, so price may come up to this here because it has a reason to come up there, right? So because if you see this candle and imbalance and the stuff, there are institutions get involved over here. So once they have their money in order to get the mitigation to their losses, the price may come here. Okay, now so this is on higher time frame, but if you want to see on the intraday perspective, so this is what we got. So we have a bullish intention, which is a one breakup structure. Okay, and where that came from, so I just, this is, price is super efficient over there, and I just only these 2 weeks that stick out to me as order block. Okay, so the first and second, and even if you consider discounting and premium pricing, they both are in the discounting. Okay, so just you need to study the reaction when the price hit over here. So basically what I'm looking to get a long position from here, and take it to at least here. Okay, so you can reduce this top 14 pips top to 1 or 2 pips by taking entry from here on 1 minute, right? And if it fails, then the next stop is here. Okay, yeah, so this is what I'm looking. So tomorrow probably if you get an entry in this zone, that will be better. Okay, so this is what for intraday perspective, and you know the higher time frame bias is a short from this area. Okay, and short-term buys probably in this week, so you need to get buy up to the here. All right, so this is about the New Zealand dollar, so which is actually very good opportunity we'll get tomorrow to buy from here. I may not come here, so just study the reaction. So I'm not going to trade Asia, so I'm going to look into the New York, and you know, if price respecting this order block and continue to block, so I'll continue to get involved, probably the scalp, you know, whatever, right? So that's NU. Then we're going to talk about pound dollar, right? So let's go to the pound dollar. Okay, let's get rid of this and we'll start from the fresh. Okay, so first thing first, so what we're going to see here, we're going to mark our solidified lows and highs. So that's our daily high. So this multi-time frame analysis will help you to stay ahead in the market, and will help you to understand where you are in the price. Okay, where you are in the story, and that will help you to you know, to avoid losses because of some supply or demand zones are coming up from higher time frame. That's why we are doing it, right? So you need to understand this, and you need to do it for every week in the start of the week, or at least on the day 1 of the week, so that you will be aware that okay, so where are you in the space, right? Perfect. So this is, we are in the range here, and so this is what we are looking. So price actually has a reason to come down here, so we have actually bullish intention. So I'll mark as this candle, the green candle, because this, if you see the red candle is being tapped, open is being tapped, and then it moved away. Okay, so basically we have only one break in a forward direction on this time frame daily. So which is, where is this? Yeah, this is the one. Okay, now so this is a base, this is not a pullback on this time frame. Okay, so you need to understand, because if you see here the wick is closed below the body, so that's not valid for us in order to consider pullback. So that's why I'm not considering this. So you just come here, okay, and it makes sense, right? Now on 4-hour time frame, so what do we see here intraday? So we got this high and we got the first break of structure here, uh, first break of structure, second break of structure, and it's mitigating something here, and it's probably is going to be only worry. Okay, let me mark this. So we have first break, second break with no mitigation, and it is mitigating here. Only my worry is it's tapping number of times, like 1, 2, 3 times. So it is tapped here again, it came back here, and it's coming back again here. So which signifies me there's something wrong. I will be cautious to get short unless we get clear-cut indication that okay, now it is going down from here. Okay, so and the price is super efficient up to the here. So if it keep breaking the structure downwards on the 1 hour of the stuff, so I think that will be great for the buy, right? Now, so let's do what's going on here on the 1 hour. Okay, so we have initial intention in the downward direction, so we're just gonna wait for to this break, or and there is price is super efficient, so I don't see, only this thing is sticking to me. Let me see on the 44. Yeah, the price is super efficient actually, and on this time frame, okay, this is the only one I'm seeing. So I would wait for this, and I'll look for a short opportunity from this area, and we're going to take it down to at least our so this low. Okay, so if it break this one, so it's going to continue to drop, but just see tomorrow, or if we get the second break, and it will be good then to continue downwards, right? So that's it for GU, and also the DXY is also looking nice on a so DXY is an US dollar index which generally follow opposite direction of EU. Okay, I said generally, okay, so it's not the rule. Look, so basically we're looking it broke the structure above here, and we have the new range now, and we're looking to buy from here, which means it's going to come up to the here. It may not come. Okay, so it is already reacting from this some area, and it will just continue. It means US dollar getting strong, which means euro is getting weak, because euro is on other side. Okay, so just keep that the relation in the mind. And the gold actually this is what I actually predicted. I mean, if you see my last forecast, okay, so we're talking about this from here, and from the liquidity is taken from here, and we're looking to break this high. This is what happened last week. So see, this is what it takes for the swing trader, because see, if you're taking entry here, so you're waiting how many days? 65 days. So you need to build a patience for this one. Okay, 65 days is a lot of time to get the target there. Okay, 2 months, more than 2 months. So but it is what it is, so you will get it on the time, because swing trader swing is a kind of a style of trading which has a longevity in the trading aspect. So rather than the scalping and intraday, that will also work, but in order to have longevity in the trading, so you should have smooth transition from intraday, scalp intraday, and the swing. Okay, so you will build up the patience to hold the trade longer when you get mature in the trading. Yeah, so this is it for then. So I'll see you after maybe in the next week, and let me know about the idea that I presented in the beginning of the video. And we'll take it from there. And if you have any questions and the stuff, and you just are here new, or you just not subscribed, so would appreciate to subscribe. And you are already subscriber, thank you so much, and love you all. See you after.